Have you ever wondered when you receive an email in your inbox whether it has been sent to you only? Well, there is a function that can help to tell you whether an email has been sent directly to you or you are in a CC group or an emailing list. So to turn that function on, you go to settings and then see all settings. Under the general tab, you scroll down to where it says personal level indicators and then you click. So as you can see, if an arrow is just one, it means that these messages have been sent to you and a group, and it's not an emailing list. You're just in the CC. A double arrow means this message has only been sent to you. If there are no arrows, it means it's a mailing list. So once we turn this on and we save, the emails will start to receive these arrows to tell you exactly whether this email is directed to you or you are within a mailing list or it's been sent to you and a group of other people. That will make your life easier when you're using Gmail. So this is how you make use of that function.